Let me show this again, right? How do we draw the basic head? Draw a circle, find the center, take the radius, bring it down, and then draw the facial mask, right? So this way, without really measuring much, you have proportional relationship of 1 to 2/3. So this is 1 right now. This is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and this is 2/3, of course, because it's a circle, right? So 1 to 2/3 without having to measure anything. If I know now that the zygomatic bone is here at the level of the nose, right? Remember that the zygomatic bone here is in line with the base of the skull, right? So, which means that from here I develop the jaw or the face like this, and the mastoid process is going to be where? Behind the masseter. Because the masseter, remember, I see it now, I see the mastoid process here, but when I put the masseter here, I don't see it anymore. So, therefore, I know that the mastoid process is where? Below the level of the nose. That's the nose right here, like this, right? And then just behind the jaw. So sternocleidomastoid starts from here and here. Make sense? That's how we kind of figure out where to put the neck in a proper relationship with the face, the head.